All right, here we go. Mike, I'm out here. Yeah. New shades. Definitely. All right, we're opening boxes here. Much needed item is in this box. And yeah, let's get it. Much needed items. These go on to the Previa. These are the rear hatch shocks, lift support, whatever you want to call it. These are them right there. We just need to go straight out there. This hatch has fallen on me too many times. It stayed up for the last 4 years I had the car. I mean, it's a 1995 car, so you know what I'm saying? They definitely were used already. I don't know if they were replaced ever in their past. I don't know if they were ever replaced or not. This is the right one right here. I bought them. I think they all come with these brackets, but I wasn't sure. Actually, the picture, I thought the picture didn't show it on one side, but most of the pictures actually did have it. And then heck of the ads were like Porsche Boxster, and I was like, Porsche Boxster? But that was on eBay. This I got off Amazon. They were like $25 shipped. It's gonna work, I think. The reviews said everyone liked them except for one person. I think they got a defective one. They said they're not like, I don't know, we're gonna see. People were like, they're not super like strong like I thought. You know, I want the hatch to just go like stay up, you know what I'm saying? But for when you close it, you might not want to have all that pressure. So whatever they got here is probably what it's supposed to be. All right, let's see if this hatch wants to stay up. It probably will right now. Yeah, you would try right now, wouldn't you? It's when it's cold out, it's not happy. This one seems to be the main violator at the moment, I think. Yeah, on this side it's leaking. Oh, that's probably the violator right there. This one's probably not in the best condition. I feel like in the past I always just change one on cars, and that's not usually the best thing to do. So I actually bought two this time, and they came in a set. So all right, I don't know if these are original or not. There's the one that's leaking. Let's make sure we're gonna put it all together correctly and that it's gonna fit like that. Okay, probably if you could get something that would hold the hatch up, like a broomstick or something, that might be beneficial, but I don't know if I'll be able to find exactly what I need at the moment. Also, yeah, I could probably put a vice grip right there to hold it, but I might be able to just hold it up here. Let's see, which one do I want to do first? I think I want to do this. I think I want to do the up top one first. I'm gonna start holding it here. Left, 10 millimeter. Can you see? I don't know. We ready to go with this other one? I think we are. One. All right, we're back. Got a rag to brush it off with, and I don't think the one side's gonna hold it, but it might. Or probably not. No, not at all. All right. Oh, it's heavy though. Well, I could always close it if I have to. That's not gonna work because that's in the way. There goes that bolt. Okay, everything not going correctly here. bolt on the ground. There goes that. Just like new. Yeah. Oh, this is a little workout here for the arm. Yeah, if you can find something to hold it up with, that might work. Or have another person, or just get a little workout on. It's gonna give me a hard time here, isn't it? Oh, is that the right way? Yep. Oh, you could always set it on your head, maybe. Yep, you can do that too. With the hat. Oh, the top of the baseball hat thing. All right, we'll just put it on my back like always. Let's see. It's on my back. It's on my back. Oh, yeah, don't do it like this. If you thought it was gonna stay up on one side, it wasn't. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a little bit harder to do it if you got to hold it up with your back the whole time. Isn't it? Yeah, it is. It is. Are you gonna go get a broom? That sounds like I should. Goodness. All right. We gotta get something to hold that up. Oh, that's heavy. Dang, that's heavy. All right. We got like perfect piece of wood here. That's perfect. Unless it slips out and hits me, that's not gonna be perfect. Yeah, that's a piece of a crate that got taken apart. I was wondering why I picked it up. Now I know. All right, let's put this on correctly. This piece goes down. You might also have to like turn. Oh, I already got a bolt in there. I don't know what I'm doing, do I? Aren't you showing people how to do this? No, I'm just doing it. Well, that's so much easier when it's not like on your back. That's so much easier. Now can I get this one to fit? Dang, that's like a perfect drop. Now it needs to go up a little bit, but I can angle in that one right there, which is good. I don't want to tighten it all the way yet. That's probably gonna fall. That one's just got to be held up high enough. Turn that the other way. Well, of course, that's not going to give me what I need. No. I went the wrong way with it. I think that's up there. Let's see. Oh, yeah. One down. Well, I don't want to force that to hold it. That's exactly where it needs to stay. All right, we got one down, y'all. Cool. This has to... That was annoying to get hit by this thing over and over. This. Maybe that one. That one. One on the top, one on the bottom. That way it's still sitting. Then we'll get this top one. Hopefully it stays up. I'm holding it. Okay, the wood's holding it. That's probably what to do if you can find a piece of wood and put it in the exact position that you need to. All right. Let's get that there. Wipe this off. Yes. This is definitely a needed thing for this car. Again, all right, this one goes like this. Might be easier to hang this part up here and then to the bottom. Yep. That's why you gotta watch other people do stuff sometimes. And then you'll go, okay. What's in there? You go, okay. I'm gonna do it like that. Don't even try to have it hold it. Hello. Alright, I'm gonna have to push that up a little, but we'll just get this top one on here. On. Alright, now when you push up on this one, Mike, yeah, make sure you don't hit yourself, okay? Just get one in. I don't know which way was better to do first, up or down. I don't know. Can't really call it. You gotta lift it a little to give yourself the room you need to get the bolts in there. And that might be the hard one to get, this inside one. I mean, it's not hard, but out of all of them, you know what I'm saying? Because it's got the weather stripping right there. I'll just try to angle it in, zip it in. I don't know if it's going in straight. That one is. That should help me here. Let's pull this back out. There we go. Let's go. Just like NASCAR or something, you know? That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. Take this out now, and that should stay up. Yes. It seems like it's solid. And I got the one with the wiper. You know what I'm saying? I have the wiper on mine. I also have a spoiler, but they didn't have an option for a spoiler. They were just saying the one with the wiper. I guess it's a little heavier. Yeah, the spoiler might not do anything. I'm not sure. In terms of weight, it probably does, but it's sitting right up at the top. At the access. Ooh, that's dang. I don't know what they were talking about. Like it ain't. Ooh, I don't know. That feels strong to me. That feels strong to me. That's stronger than what I was working with. That's a definite. Just make sure they're tight, but. Yeah, I probably could have just left one, but that would have ended up messing up one of them. Probably the new one, you know? All right, let's do it. Ooh, yeah, that's sturdy. Let's see what these old ones were. I think this one that one was still decent. This one, watch this one go in. Nah, it's still not going in, but I don't want to touch it. It's good for a project or something, maybe. Let's see if this thing's working with that. Okay. Okay. What's the open like? Oh, wow. I stopped it a little, and we'll do that again. That actually came up. Usually it was me pushing it up and then it might stay. That's really staying. That's like, I could push on it down a little. Yeah, I don't think I would need stronger than that. All right, it's closed. Now let's see. How far do I gotta lift it before it gives it to me? It's giving it to me about right there. All right. Yeah, okay. All right, that's cool with me. All right, I don't want to wear it out or nothing. I don't want to wear them out. They might not last as long as the originals, you know. Stuff doesn't always. Or they might last longer, who knows? I would think, it just depends who made it, but I would think it would be not that hard to make a air shock last a few years here. All right, we got to do that one more time, huh? Free stuff on Craigslist. Here we come. All right, let's save the juice now. Yeah, that works for me. All right, Mike, I'm out here. Let's get it.